Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are all gathered here for a webinar to be inaugurated for the purpose of capacity enhancement of teachers, which is also known as capacity building program. The teachers, those who are teaching, they are well qualified, learned, and well to do in all respects. But discovery and progress relates a personality to be developed in different way. That is why we all are here to improve our qualities and stress upon further improvement in teaching and learning. Our parent body DAV Training Center and DAV College Managing Committee has developed a system which is likely to be foolproof and concerned with the development of academics in our schools. DAV College Managing Committee and DAV Center for Academic Excellence are trying its best to develop and enhance the teaching learning process of students as well as teachers. Because in modern era, we must have to develop with the time. We must have to cope up with the time which is going. If anything is there to develop in ourselves, we must have to try our best. It's we who are liable to develop the things and improve the quality of teaching in different ways. That is, for the students, it's needed because learning has evolved nowadays in different ways, and children are also growing with more intelligence, more IQ, and we teachers must have to be well acquainted with all these facilities so that we can satisfy our students' demand. The DAV Center for Academic Excellence, especially our Director PS2 and Director DAV CAE, Honorable Dr. Nisha Pesin ma'am, has been repeatedly giving us notes to improve our academics in our schools. No doubt, our schools are unparalleled in academics and giving education to all concerned in the society. But this time, the demand is there to improve the quality and to improve the techniques of teaching with the use of IT, measurement tools, and other pedagogical activities. For this, we are arranging these type of webinars, seminars. Due to COVID-19, we all are on this webcam and on online platform. The students are also there. In this era, we must have to give special stress upon the learning with the help of IT and skills. The skills which includes our life skills, which also denotes the message to inculcate various qualities in our life concerning of different activities which we are connected with. And in this era, the children, those who are coming to our schools, they are having more ability, more IQ, and giving more stress upon different ways of learning. That's why our teachers, those who are the pillars, the builders of nation, they must have to improve their quality in different ways. And that is why we are arranging these type of seminars. Subject wise training in our schools is scheduled, and we are getting sufficient results to improve our academic arenas. But more advancement, more demand is there, because sky is the limit. Nothing can be achieved in toto. When we achieve the things in a wider range, we must have to fix another goal, which will give us the proper idea of learning in a way by which we can give the learning aspects to our students in a better way. That's why I would like to request my teachers. I'm very much thankful to our ARO sir to give us such type of support. Today he is not present and he is out of station due to his busy schedule, and I am here. I have been given this responsibility to inaugurate this webinar in absence of him, but his support and blessings are with us. He will always be in our favor and in favor of improving quality in academics. And every person of DAB who is at any corner of our academic arena is supporting us in different ways. So, this is my earnest request to all the teachers, those who are going to learn something in different subjects by the master trainers, that they should do it meticulously. The master trainers, they have also prepared the same in different ways so that they can give their best to our participating teachers. They are also needed to inculcate more improvement, more advancement, more empowerment in their skills. Life skills are needed to lead your life. Likely, teaching skills are also needed to improve the teaching of each and every person who is associated with this teaching line. I would like to give some data to improve ourselves, that your QPI must be up to 90%. This year our QPI is 70 to 80. The next year we wish that it should be 80 to 90. That data should be compiled by you and should be created by you also, by giving your best to the students. Our system in which we are leading our life as a teacher is not a foolproof system. In fact, nothing in this world is foolproof, but we must have to make it foolproof so that we can achieve our goal. Madam Nisa Pesin, Madam Indramari Jain, and other people associated from in the Apex body, they are also helping us in different ways. And we are also trying our best to do the best what we can do. So, our principal colleagues, subject coordinator colleagues, and our even AROs are also giving us such type of support. I wish all of you a very delightful day and fruitful webinar with all concerned. I wish this COVID 19 will be ending and will be coming with new flora and fauna. In our schools, students are not coming. This is not only problematic, but it's a matter of concern for ourselves that most of the students are out of the school. They are not coming to school. Due to this pandemic, you are safe, you are leading your life safely, and I wish that you all should lead your life very safe in future also, which will give you a proper support and strength of your life. This is the main aspect of our webinar, that it should inculcate the quality of and improve the quality of education in our schools for the students. You are doing this well. I am not telling you that you are not doing, you are doing everything. But in fact, what is needed is that your 100% must be given to the students. So try your best. We'll be getting our goal definitely in a limited period that is needed. And now, so I wish all the MTs, all the participants, also a grand success for the MTs and for the participants, a great learning process to be commanded by them. Now, our subject coordinator, SST, Mr. S. Bhujbal, principal of this Jamalpur, DAV Jamalpur, is requested to enlighten the participants as well as the master trainers with his valuable words. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Regional Officer of Bihar Zone D, Sri K. Sinha sir, Coordinator of DAV Center of Academic Excellence, Cluster Heads of DAV Bihar Zone D, Sri R.C. Sharma sir and Shanti Singh madam, under whose mentorship and monitoring this program is going on, all the learned resource persons and master trainers, those who are putting their maximum effort to make this program effective, and energetic and excited participants. Good afternoon to you everyone. Sa Vidya Ya Vimukta. It means the education aim is to liberate from the various types of bondages like anger, hatredness, jealousy, etc. and to give peace, love, concern, sympathy and forgiveness. The purpose of education is transmitted through the teacher, and teacher role is to imbibe these positive qualities among the students. I expect through various programs, activities and these webinars, definitely it will be helpful for the teachers to inculcate these qualities and transfer these qualities among the students. Friends, in this world, nothing is permanent. Only one thing is permanent, that is change. So we will have to adjust with the change and adjust with the situation. This COVID-19 has given the message that we will have to change with our living, with our behavior, with our thought process. Friends, even in the production and distribution, there is also massive changes. You have seen there is massive production of sanitizer, mask, terminals, thermal scanner. It is due to the positive changes and in the mindset of the people of India. It is the great effort done by the doctors and health workers. So, in the education system also there is much changes. We have used internet, we have used computers. Without that, the work cannot be done. Last time you have used computer teachers to share the links, but this time all of you are creating your own link and also sharing it. So that is also change you must have marked. I expect after this workshop, all of you will be able to share everything, screen, video, audio with the students and make your class effective and attractive. I expect that there should not be any problem, because in the last workshop there was some problem, but if we will have the vision and planning, then this problem can be solved. There might be the problem of computer, there might be the problem of internet, but we should try to solve in advance. But in spite of that, if there is any problem, then that can be considered. So we should care for the time and energy of 50 to 100 participants. That is my request. All of you should take care, and you should sit in a place where there should be good availability of internet facility and all other things, so that the workshop will continue without any interruption. I want to tell one thing finally, that Galileo had told, education is not sharing or teaching to the people, it is to empower them and utilize their power within them. So after this workshop, this is my expectation, that these master trainers and participants will empower them, and that must be transferred among the students and in the classroom situation. Thank you, and wish for the successful completion of this workshop. Namaste.
Most respected training coordinator and hero of our zone, Honorable K.K. Sinha sir, respected cluster head Santi madam and R.C. Sharma sir, respected principals, dear master trainers and teachers of different schools. It is my privilege to be before you to make you understand about the workshop that will be held just after this inaugural program. We are organizing this workshop program twice a year. It is our moral duty to make this program successful. Dear master trainers and teachers, it is your moral duty just not to attend this workshop program virtually, but you have to learn a lot. During this COVID-19, we have lost a lot, but we have got the opportunity also. BAV CMC have given the opportunity to us just to get the success, just to reach our goal in the society, to be the part of this teaching system. This workshop is utilized to develop new skills of teaching, to impart new techniques of teaching. Master trainers, you just impart new ideas, and that ideas will be learned by the participants, and that should be properly utilized by the teachers in the class. If those ideas are not utilized in the class, there is no meaning of this workshop. it is must for us, it is our moral duty just to utilize our new techniques in the class so that our students may get the benefit. So, Master Trainers, it is my kind request to you to make this class, to make this workshop program very much interactive, which is very much interesting, and use your module and activities in such a way that the participants may be actively participating. They must be very much aware to learn something from you. And dear colleagues, dear subject coordinators, it is our moral duty just to watch this workshop program carefully. It is the duty of ours to make this program success. Thank you very much.